All right, I've got a simple test plan open in the Home Designer Suite 2019, and I placed a desk and an armoire over on this wall, and we'll use an isometric camera to start. And there it is. Okay, and I'm going to go back, Control Tab, back to Plan, leave that camera open. Excuse me. I'm going to go to the elevation tool and left click to create a viewpoint and drag in the direction I want to look. And just like you experienced, there's a blank wall. But there is a solution. You go over to Tools, Display Options, Tools, Display Options, left click, and we'll turn on Furniture Interior and Furniture Exterior. I think what I have is Furniture Interior, but nevertheless, and there they are. See, they're just turned off by default in the default camera settings, but you can turn them on. Now, what can we do with the wall? I'm not all that familiar with Suite because I use Cheap Premiere all the time, but let's take a look. I'm going to go over to just click on the wall, and then right click on it and open object. I'm going to go over to materials, and this is the room specification. Okay, that's not really what I want. I want to click and then select next object. There we go. Right. I don't see an open icon. Maybe I have to do that in plan view. I'm going to click on the wall, open its dialog box, go to materials, and interior material surface, and I can change just this one selected wall's interior material. Let's turn it around. So there's the interior, and we'll put paneling on it. Go over here to don't want wall board in this case. I want something else. Could put a wood species on there, but I don't think that's exactly what I'm looking for. I don't remember if there's a paneling section or not. What's natural? No. Well, we could use something like that. Let's say it's this bamboo junk. And yeah, that looks kind of interesting. So I'm going to make that the interior material. Now I'm going to go back to the isometric camera, and that's what the effect you got. And there's the elevation. And just whatever you select and place on the wall, that's what's going to be there. Okay, now let's see if there's any other variations. I want to go to, again, I'm unfamiliar with Suite. I apologize for that. Let's go to Tools. No. 3D materials, no. Well, this is kind of an interesting one. I thought I'd go in passing and click on material, adjust material definition, and click on that. And that's a little bit you can do here. I can make this, transparent. Of course, I don't think that's applicable here. And make a give off light. That's what emissive is about. And I can alter this material the way it appears to some degree. Trying to see if there's a way I could change the color. I can make it a solid color, but that's kind of defeats the purpose. Okay, blend color and texture. That's what I was looking for. Let's go here and select color. And there's the color that it's currently using. Let's just make it a little bit lighter. I'm going to use the slider here make it lighter, significantly lighter, and then so it's altered the material. And you can see now it's lighter showing there. So there's adjustments you can make in existing materials. I was trying to see if there's a material region tool in the suite. It doesn't appear that there is, or I just don't know where it is. It would be under 3D, I think. Material Painter, no, don't want that. Looking for a material region kind of a thing. But maybe it doesn't exist in Suite. Maybe some of these smarter, Suite users, you know, would be able to answer this better than I. But I thought I'd show you some things that you could do. And then those missing objects, they're just on a layer in under Tools, Display Options, and everything that's visible or not visible is here. If it's checked, it's visible. If it's not checked, then it's not visible. So that gives you a lot of control over visibility in various camera views, including the elevation camera. I think that's enough to answer your question. There might be more you can do relative to altering materials, but perhaps some of the other Suite users can help you with that. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Good day.